Basic search engine optimization for newbies. If you've ever seen a crowd of reporters waiting for a newsworthy figure to show up, the odds are, there were a lot of people all jostling each other and trying to get noticed. Now, if you're wondering how all this connects with basic search engine optimization, the answer is, it's all about the competition to be noticed. They're all in competition, and only the ones who get to the front have a chance of being heard and getting a result. And these are the people who will get rewarded for their efforts. Search engine optimization is best described as a technical science more than anything else. By gathering information on your market and competitors, you gradually adjust your site or advertisements so that you appear more often in response to searches for particular keywords. When you've found the right keywords, you will move to the front of the line and get noticed, because search engines look for sites that are most relevant to whatever term is being searched for. So, when you use these same terms to describe what is on your site, you appear more relevant and get better ranking in the results. However, to stay ahead of the competition, who have the same information, you have to keep updating your site to keep at the front and be noticed. And this is where the basic search engine optimization comes in. The internet's a bit like passing trade on the high street of any town. If you don't know the place, the only way that you'll notice it is from the shop signs. And the more signs they have and the bigger they are, the more likely they are to get noticed. It works the same way with using basic search engine optimization to get noticed on the internet. The more signs you have and the bigger they are, the more passing traffic on the net will know that you are there. So, the use of words, and more especially how you use words to describe your site, is what will get the customers. This is where basic search engine optimization comes into its own as you find the best keywords to describe your site. Search engine optimization does involve some time and effort to make sure that you are getting the results you want from your online business, and it's essential you have at least a basic understanding of how it works. To help you along, here are some of the key steps involved in the process. Point 1. Be aware of the competition. You will need to learn about everything your competition is doing in the market. Gather information during your searches. Use data search terms to repeat these searches as often as you can. New businesses open regularly, and you will not want to miss anyone new starting up. Point 2. Gather keywords. Go online and gather long lists of keywords that people use to in searches relevant to your site. Then refine it to the most targeted list for your own site and products. Point 3. Use keyword combinations. Look at developing combinations of keywords on your site. The more keyword combinations you have, the better your site will perform. Point 4. Modify your site. Test adjusting the headlines and content of your site to find out which combinations attract more visitors. Point 5. Refine your keyword list regularly. Keep an eye on your keyword list and make sure that you are keeping up to date with new searches. Make the necessary changes to maintain your search engine rankings. Point 6. Repeat the process. You will need to repeat the steps above on a continuing basis. Don't stay with the same methods all the time. Always be looking for ways to improve your results. So, there's an outline of the reasons for understanding basic search engine optimization and some ideas on how to get started. Now, you'll find that, just as with any high street business, your customers simply won't appear by magic. You've got to put in the effort required to get noticed and stay ahead of the competition. But, when you've made the effort, you'll certainly find the results worthwhile.